So today I wanted to do an unboxing of whatever's in here because I'm not sure. So we'll open it up and we shall see. Pretty excited though because I love receiving products. Wrapped up very well. Well, all right. So it looks like this box is from Taliah Waajid. Can't wait to see what's inside. I'm just going to pull them out randomly. It looks like there are a few different lines in here, maybe at least two. So I'm just gonna start pulling them out randomly. And I've already heard wonderful things about this line, so I'm very excited for it. This is the green apple and aloe line, and this is the curl elixir. Smell it. It smells like right when you bite into a green apple, like, and then that's what it smells like. It smells really good. Alright. And this is the protective style line. And so this is the bamboo, biotin, and basil curl activator and defining cream. So, assuming that this is a curling cream product as well. Ooh, this smells really good. It almost smells lemony, like citrus. It smells good though. And then we have the green apple and aloe shampoo. So once again, I'm excited for all these. Okay, so I'm assuming all these smell like green apple, which is fine with me. This is the green apple aloe curl definer. So I will be interested to see the difference between the curl definer and the curl elixir. I have to read on that to see what the difference will be. And then next is the green apple and aloe hold me down gel. So this, I'm trying to see the consistency of it. It's like a watery gel. So I'm assuming that, let me read it. So it says it can be used for curl definition and slicking down wet or dry hair. So I'll be interested to see if this is really gonna slick down my hair. But I do like using this type of gel for the ends of my hair. So if I do like a twist down and I put like a little bantu knot on the end, I like using this for the end. That way my end can get like more definition. I say end a whole lot. This is the green apple and aloe leave-in conditioner. And I love these pumps. Like when it comes in a spray bottle like this, it makes it so much easier for you to go ahead and distribute it throughout your hair. So I'm excited to try this out. This is the Refresh and So Clean bamboo and avocado and peppermint with witch hazel dry gel shampoo. That's intriguing because it has witch hazel in it, and I've never used, like I use witch hazel on my face for toning, but I've never heard of it being in a product, so I'll be interested to see what that is supposed to do for you. But this is pretty cool. And I like the nozzle it comes in, so it gets right to the scalp. This is the Thick and Full Bamboo and Coconut Milk Moisturizing Mint Shampoo with biotin in it. So when it says thick and full, that's where that biotin is coming in. So this would be really good, especially for these edges, because they're gone. And then we have the Bamboo, Biotin, and Basil Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Once again with the same pump. So I'm very thankful for that. And let's see. Now this says aloe, coconut milk, and sunflower seed oil. So this should be interesting as well. I can't wait to use these. And then we have Grow Hair Grow. Once again, coming back through for these edges. So this is the bamboo and coconut milk with coconut oil and sweet almond oil growth oil. A lot of oils. So this is supposed to help your hair to grow. And it seems like all of the protective style line is going to be really good for when you actually have protective styling. Like, I'm assuming that you can use it outside of protective styling, but with all of them having these nozzles, like, I feel like that's going to be really good to get in either your braids, between your dreads, between your crochet, when you're taking off your wig, like whatever it is that you're doing, it's going to bless you. This is the Bamboo Biotin and Basil Anti-Itch Serum. This is definitely gonna come in handy because I feel like my scalp has been a lot more dry here recently. So this, I feel like, will definitely be beneficial for me, just even on the days where I don't necessarily want to add more oil, because oil sometimes can make your hair itch a little more, and I'm not sure what it comes from. But with this anti-itch, it should help. And it's very liquidy, so it's not really necessarily coating. Hopefully it's more penetrating, so that way it truly does stop your itch. This is the Bamboo Biotin and Basil Restoring Serum. So that's cool too. And this has avocado, peppermint, aloe, and shea butter. So I'm assuming that you would put this on first as a moisturizer, and then go back with like the oil serum to lock in that moisture, but it'll also pull it all in. So it seems like it's pretty cool. And I love when things have peppermint in it because you can feel the tingle. So it makes me feel like it's actually working, especially when you have a protective style. If it's been in for a long time, you kind of want to make sure like you're getting in there to really make sure it's clean, or at least feel clean. I wonder if they have been coming to my Instagram and seeing that I needed help with my edges, because this is the Hairline Help and this is the Bamboo and Biotin Edge Growth. So I feel like this is about to be a blessing. And this smells minty. I don't want to put it on now, but I kind of don't want y'all to see my edges. And then the last item that I received was the once again, coming on through, the Thick and Full Bamboo and Biotin Advanced Formula Vitamins for Healthy Hair. So this is exciting because I wasn't a huge fan of just taking biotin by itself. I know people are always curious if, you know, the different vitamins really work, because I know that there's what is it, Hair Affinity, and then the Main Choice has pills, Mielle Organics has pills, so it's it'll be interesting to try a new brand. I have tried the Main Choice and I felt like it didn't do anything, but I also know that sometimes you have to get it into your system, so you have to use more than one bottle to actually see a difference. So I might just have to order some more just to see if this is truly going to make a difference. So those were all the items that I received in my box, and I would like to send a special thank you to Taliah Waajid for sending me these items. I'm definitely going to put them to use, and I cannot wait to see the results that I get from them. I'm super excited and thankful that you even thought to send them to me. And I will let you guys know what my results are. I'll make sure I put up a new video. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate your time, and check me out on my next video. Thanks. Bye.